Welcome to CADCIM Technologies.
Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn to create a pillow in 3ds Max with some short tricks. In standard primitive, select box and drag the box. Increase the length, width and height. And then increase the length segment, width segment and height segments. And then apply the cloth modifier to the primitive box. Go to the object properties and then select the box. Select cloth, go to the preset, select it as cotton. Increase the pressure as much as you want and click OK. Go to the simulation parameters, select gravity and make sure the value next to it 0. Go to the simulate local button and click it. Stop the simulation at this point and then add Turbo Smooth to add overall smoothness. Your pillow is ready. Thank you for watching this video.
Thank you. Catch you in the next video.